Hey guys on Let's Vlog. I wanted to show you a little bit about what happened with the effects of Hurricane Irene. Hurricane Irene just flooded a lot of areas, knocked down trees, cut power. We lost power actually yesterday, 9 in the morning, but thank God we got it back right away, so it wasn't too bad. But had a flooded basement, my wife's car, the passenger seat, the panel moved, so she wasn't able to open the passenger door. Took it to the mechanic, got it fixed. But this is what happened with the tree that came to the house because of Hurricane Irene. See the branches over there? Look how close it is to the house. This is what Hurricane Irene caused. I'm actually going up to the ladder and I'm going to attempt to get rid of some of them. Some branches. See how much are on top of the roof? And there's this guy there, but see? So I'm actually going to make an attempt. Do what I have to do. Anyway, just wanted to show you what happened here.